afternoon. Andy.farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach here. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on this 420 Outrage that we're listing. A couple highlights you notice right from the dock. Quad 450R Mercs, roughly 65 hours on them. Very lightly used boat. Got a white hull. We've got the sea or gray interior package here. You can see on the bolsters. Our cockpit seat. Helm seating, and then on the cushion package up at the bow. Boat has the optional table. It does have a cushion, filler cushion that goes on that to turn it into a sun pad. I'm gonna step aboard here. Got boarding is easy. Got a dive door, port side. Walking through, got the starboard side seat, transom seat. There's your ladder storage for your dive door. This boat is equipped with electric outrigger connections, and it also has the dive rack in this forward underneath the in the storage compartment under this forward seating area. Coming up, your table. These backrests flip up. Very nice seating here forward. Take a look at this storage underneath these cushions in the photos. Armrest here. The black on the top sets off nicely. Open array, Raymarine radar. You've got the flare thermal imaging camera up top there as well. Boat does have the wing package. It's off now. We're in the middle of summertime, but that'll connect and close this whole area up. There's another photo of the helm chairs. You just spin around to the dash real quick. You can see you got Raymarine Axum 3 displays. Try to get a better view of that for you. Joystick control, skyhook. As of today, we've got 62.46 hours on the motors. Take a look at this 3-sided enclosure with a vent. Guys, I want to show you this up here as well. There's your control for your Seakeeper. This boat is equipped with Seakeeper. Roughly about 45 hours on the Seakeeper. About 25 hours of sea time on it. Spinning around, we've got this cockpit summer kitchen open up for you. So you've got refrigerators, grill, rigging station slash sink here. Controls down below. Got the seat kind of flipped up and out of the way to open up that kitchen, but you do have vents here for 18,000 BTU air conditioning. Boat is equipped with it has fish boxes on the port and starboard side with refrigeration as well. Stepping down into the cabin. Plenty of seating. Obviously table pops up there if you're down entertaining. Galley, microwave there, another refrigerator, sink. This up, get a picture of the head. Guys, this is Andy.farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking a look at this really clean 2021 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. It is a loaded boat, guys, with those quad 450s we talked about. Loaded with electronics, including night vision, thermal camera, Seakeeper. Does have the bow sunshade, dive tanks. It's loaded out, guys. Andy.farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Take a look at the full specs on this boat. Let me know if you have any questions. Best way to reach me is on my cell at 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks for taking a look at the video.